Hello friends, welcome to TechTechGuides. Today I'll show you how to edit font on Canva. To edit font on Canva, first of all click on text you want to edit font. Then you can see over here is our font type. Currently we have open source, we can change to Canva Sans. Here are thousands of fonts to choose with. If you have here Canva Pro, you can access any one from here. Now going further, you can see here is font size. You can either increase or decrease font size according to your choice. Also, you can directly enter your font size. For instance, I am typing 100100C. Now, my font size is increased. Over here, you can choose text color. Here you can see our text color is red. We can change to any other colors as black, gray, blue, green, or any one of your choice. So, moving further, here are other options like you can simply bold your text, italics, or underline. So, if you simply click on this icon over here, then you can underline or remove underline from your text. Also, if you want to cut this, so in this way you can cut your text. Here you can see you can check and uncheck this too. Now, moving further, you can also use uppercase. In my case, my all text are in uppercase, so let's change this one. NVA. Then you can simply, if you simply click over here, our text is gonna convert to uppercase. Now also here is alignment. You can check left, center, justify, any one from your choice. Here is list and here is spacing. Also you can choose effects. Here you can do shadow. You see here is some shadows in the text. Also you can change intensities from here. You can see, you can just roll this over here and change intensities. Also you can change the shapes from here. Here you can see if you click on this curve, our text is gonna curved. So also now I'll uncheck this and move to normal. So in this way we can edit fonts on Canva. So if you have any queries, leave down in the comment section and we will surely reply you. So if you like this video, please like, share and subscribe.